Hello everybody, it's Del here again, and we've got something in addition to the cold weather, a cold treat for you. And this is Gelato multi-fruit, and it's kind of, I'm impressed with it from the health perspective, because I don't know if you can see this, but it's got a bunch of zeros here. So all the bad things in this world are apparently not in this product. The carbs and the fiber are both at 7%, and the sugars I think are 11 grams there. Is that what it is? Including the added sugars. So, and then all the vitamins, potassium, calcium, iron, and what's that? Vitamin C, vitamin A. That they're all zeros too. So don't be looking for any vitamin boost with this one, but let's take a look at it and see. Oh, I left it out to kind of thaw it out a little bit, and it started the melting process on me. So we'll take it out and see what it tastes like. Okay. Here, I hope this doesn't fall apart. Let's see if our luck holds out here a little bit. And there, and there. I think what I'm going to do is put this out. Maybe I should use my clacker board for to clean up the drips and see what it tastes like. It's not bad. I think, yeah, they're calling this a multi-fruit, so you can see the different colorations in here, and you can taste them as well. So I'm kind of glad that I defrosted it at least a little bit. And this is all
real fruit in there?
There is real fruit in this. You can feel it when you bite into it.
Oh wow!
And you can taste it as well. So I can imagine what these. I think they're. Normally, I don't look at prices here, but I don't think there's not a price on that.
No, it's the Best Buy date.
Right.
I don't think it was cheap though.
That's what I'm thinking. It's not a cheap kind of outfit, but since it's Christmas, if you got somebody in your family that likes cold snacks, this might just be the thing. And here's the part that melted out already. I had it out of the refrigerator maybe I don't know, hour and a half. And that was in the refrigerator, part of the refrigerator, not in the freezer part, for hours before that. So it had a process of kind of de-thawing. So in addition to being healthy, it tastes pretty good. And I'll hold up the box again so you can see it. And I think it's kind of neat.